Hi, it's Jill from hottub.parts. Today we're going to demonstrate how a qualified technician would replace an in.xm Gecko Spa Pack. The reason the pack needs to be changed in this tub is because pump 2 is not coming on. There is a P2ER or error code coming up on the topside controller. Again, this type of work should only be done by a qualified electrician or hot tub repair individual. First, and this is the most important part, turn off the power to the spa pack via the tub's electrical disconnect. I hit the GFCI test button to do this. This is good practice to do since you should test your tub's GFCI every month. If your breaker doesn't trip when you hit the test button, call your electrician immediately and don't use your hot tub until the breaker is replaced. Then, you'll need access to the spa pack by removing your tub's access panel. Once the spa pack is exposed, begin removing all the pack's plugs by pressing down on the locking tab and pull them out. Then, remove the bonding wires from the left side of the spa pack. Once all of the plugs are out, you can open up the access panel on the electrical feed section of the pack. Then, with a 9/16 wrench, loosen up the nuts that are securing the wires to the pack. Then, loosen up the conduit nut to the pack and disconnect it from the pack. Then, remove the old pack from the tub. This one is held on by 2 mounting screws on a piece of plywood attached to the spa cabinet. Once it's removed, your technician can now install the new pack the same way. Now your technician will hook up the electrical feed wires back into the new spa pack. Then, remove the necessary plug blocks in the spa pack that you need access to for your equipment to plug back in. With the blocks now removed, you can now plug all the equipment wires back into the spa pack, making sure to follow the color coding on the male and female portions of the plugs. Now it's time to reattach the bonding wires back to the left side of the spa pack. After turning power back onto your spa pack, you'll have to program the low-level programming for your spa pack to your requirements of your specific tub. This tub has 1 2-speed pump, 2 1-speed pumps, and a blower. We set it for configuration 21 by pressing the change button on the pack. The Gecko low-level programming chart is provided in the link below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.